Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with the topic types of scheduling algorithms and their advantages and disadvantages in operating system. Let us see introduction, scheduling algorithms and their importance in computer systems, overview of different types of scheduling algorithms, advantages and disadvantages of each algorithm, characteristics of an algorithm, well-defined inputs, well-defined outputs, finiteness, feasible, long-range independent, clear and unambiguous. Fast come, fast serve, FCFS. Fast come, fast serve schedules processes in the order they arrive. Simple and easy to implement, may result in poor response time and low throughput. Fast come, fast serve schedule the processes according to their arrival order to the ready queue, also called first in first out. Example, processes P1, P2, P3, P4, batch time 10, 4, 6, 3, schedule, waiting time is 0, 10, 14, 20, average waiting time is 11. Shortest job next, SJN. Shortest job next schedules the shortest job first, minimizes average waiting time, difficult to predict job length, leading to potential starvation for longer jobs. Priority scheduling. Priority scheduling assigns priority levels to processes, allows for priority based resource allocation, may result in low priority processes suffering from starvation. Types of priority scheduling in operating system. Here the first one is primitive scheduling and second one is non-primitive scheduling. Round-robin assigns a fixed time slice to each processes, fairly allocates CPU time among processes, high context switching overhead and potential for inefficiency. Multi-level queue scheduling. Multi-level queue scheduling divides processes into multiple queues based on priority, provides different priority levels for different types of processes, complex to implement and manage. Multi-level feedback queue scheduling. Multi-level feedback queue scheduling allows processes to move between different queues based on their behavior, provides flexibility to handle different types of processes, requires some fine tuning of parameters for optimal performance. Shortest remaining time, SRT. Shortest remaining time schedules the process with the shortest remaining batch time, minimize response time and improves throughput, requires knowledge of batch times in advance which may not always be available. Shortest remaining time, SRT scheduling, primitive variance of SRF, shortest arriving process permit a running process, very large variance of response time, long processes wait even longer than under SPF, not always optimal. Lottery scheduling. Lottery scheduling assigns tickets to processes and selects a winner randomly, provides fairness and allows for resource allocation based on probabilities, may result in inefficient resource utilization if not probably managed. Conclusion. Recap of the different scheduling algorithms discussed. Each algorithm has its own advantages and disadvantages. Selection of a scheduling algorithm depends on the specific requirements and constraints of the system.